In IIH, what do we have? We have an increase of CSF in the perivascular spaces of the brain. So we have no hydrocephalus, we just have a big brain congestion, and this congestion, I think, is probably due to the congestion of the glymphatic system. As I show, the glymphatic system is the circulation of CSF in the perivascular spaces of the brain, and this is a feature of IIH. In IIH, we have big edematous brain. You also have retention of fluids in the cranial nerve sheath. So this is the typical signs of IIH, which is the accumulation of CSF around the cranial nerve, here around the third cranial nerves, and along the optic nerves too, and also along the trigeminal cave here, which correspond to the, as we previously said, the indirect signs of IIH, but these are the usual signs of IIH. And finally, you have the third part of the triad, which is the restriction of the venous CSF outflow pathway, meaning that IIH is always associated with dural venous stenosis. And this has to be, I think, emphasized in this disease, is that idiopathic intracranial hypertension is a venous disorder and is related to dural venous stenosis.